Hey, what's up guys? This is your girl Treseysworld with Treseysworld, and today I have another video just for you. Listen, I know a lot of people have been under the weather, including myself, and I've been taking a couple of trips to Starbucks to get me a medicine ball. So I thought, you know what? Let's just go ahead, jump into it, and make our own medicine ball so we can save ourselves a few dollars. So stay tuned and check out this video. Hey guys, so you probably see all of this up here and wondering, what are we making today? I'll tell you this. I was in a play, I think it was last year before last, probably 2 years ago, I don't know. But everyone was getting the sniffles. So one of the girls went and she was like, I'm gonna get you a medicine ball because I wasn't feeling well. And I was like, what the heck is a medicine ball? I had never heard of it. I ain't see it on Starbucks menu, but I got it. It made me feel so good, so good. And I started getting one of those probably daily up until show day. Well, during the show as well. So throughout the duration of the performance, the production, I should say, I started getting medicine balls every day. So of course, when I got a little scratchy scratch this time, I went to Starbucks to get a medicine ball. Well, here's a couple things that's going on with Starbucks right now. They have short staff, so some of them are closing earlier than they normally would. Number one. Number two, if you're going every day, it kind of stacks up on the cost, right? So I was like, you know what? Let's just go ahead and make this from home, add our own little, soberific flavor up into it and make it do what it do. So that's what we're gonna do today, y'all. We are making a medicine ball, okay? You heard me right, our own medicine ball. You will no longer have to go to Starbucks and spend, I don't know how much the cost is for a tall, a venti, or whatever size you normally get. You will be able to make it from your own home, put what you need in it, what you want in it, and yeah, that's it. So let's get into it. Okay, I hope you guys are ready. So this is how I make my medicine ball. You guys tweak it the way you want to. Y'all know I always tell y'all, put what you want in it, tweak it according to your taste. That is okay. But today we're making it this way. I may say this wrong, but Tazo Refresh Mint Tea. We got that. We got the Celestial Seasonings Country Peach Passion Tea. This is herbal tea. Y'all can see that. And it will be in the description. We have some honey. Of course, we need water for it. We have our Simply Lemonade. I'm gonna be using this. And then I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. Now, Starbucks don't do this, y'all. Starbucks don't do this, but soberific. The soberologist, Tracy, she do this. I'm gonna throw a little skinny girl Peppermint Swirl up in there. So I'm ready to get started, y'all. So let's do this, all right? So we have some water here. All right, we might have too much, so actually have some water already here in this cup. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna open up the teas. I'm gonna use 2 teas. We're gonna use one of the refreshment teas, and I'm gonna put one in the cup of hot water. Now I know how teas are. You have to make them with hot water, just in case, y'all, some of y'all's worried. Okay, we're gonna open up this one. This is the Peach Passion. I'm gonna open it up, and we're gonna put that in the cup as well. And we're gonna let it just, hang out for a little bit. And I'm just gonna make sure, we're just gonna let it hang out for a little bit. Okay, now this water is filled up to the top. Obviously we're not using all of this, but whatever you don't use, what you can do. You can use it later on. So, all right. So we letting that just go for a little bit. While that's going, while we're letting that, you know, hang out, we're gonna take the lemon and we're gonna cut the lemon up. And I'm sorry if you hear a lot of rattling. It's the glasses beneath this bar. So maybe make a little bit of noise. Take out the seeds. Don't nobody want no seeds in their drinks. Now I'll tell you guys something. Medicine balls are not new. When I used to get sick, when I would get sick as a kid, my mother or my dad would make this. They would take some lemon, some Hall's cough drops, what else? Honey, and they would boil it all together. And we would drink that and it would feel so soothing. As a kid, it would feel so soothing because, yeah, sometimes them colds be doing it, be doing us in. All right, so this is going to make 2 cups. This is a full cup of hot water, just let you know. So I'm going to squeeze. I just want to make sure there's no remaining seeds in the lemon that I'm going to squeeze. And then I'm going to also put a piece of lemon in there, but I just want to make sure there's no seeds. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze some lemon. If you have lemon juice and you don't want to use this, you can do lemon juice. So we have about half and half, okay? We got our lemon in there. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna put some lemon in there just to go ahead and put a little piece of lemon in there. This is a lemon. I'm just gonna drop it in this cup. All right. So now that's real bitter, right? No sweetening in it yet, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some Simply Lemonade. All the measurements will be in the description, but of course you do it according to your taste. Okay. All right. We're gonna take some honey. Now, I don't like my stuff really sweet, but if you like yours sweetened, then you put as much honey as you need to put in there. But I'm gonna put some honey in there. Yeah. Mmm. Smelling good already. Ooh. Kind of like that honey. And if you have the honey spoons, I was gonna get some, but I forgot to really grab them. Go ahead and stick that in there and just leave it. Now, the next thing you're gonna wanna do, now hopefully your Simply Lemonade was not cold. If it was cold, you're gonna wanna warm this again, okay? Because that's just what you're gonna wanna do. Because it's not gonna be hot. You want it warm, okay? I'm just gonna put a little drop, little splash of my Skinny Girl Peppermint Swirl in there, okay? Just a little, not too much, just enough, just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna give it a mix. Oops. And this is the cup that I did not put anything in yet, so I'm gonna put this to the side. It's time to taste and see. All right. Just like Starbucks, maybe a little better with this peppermint swirl. I'm just saying, if you make this and you put a little bit of this peppermint swirl in there, you're not gonna be sorry. That's good. This is good. Feels so good. Feels so good. Whatever you're spending, you can save it. Make as many of these as you need to from home. Make it every day. Oh, that feels so good going down my chest. Oh, yes. We did it. We did it. We did it. Now, I wanted to show you guys something. Now, as I told you before, when I was younger, my parents would put little Hall's cough drops in our drinks when we really had a scratchy throat or, you know, congested. chest or whatever. So this is a little, so this one I put to the side because I'm gonna let a Hall's cough drop just melt in there. And that menthol is gonna help me feel a little better. If you're going through it, it'll help you feel a little better. So I'm gonna drop that in there. This one's slightly different than the typical medicine ball. It's more of like the toddy that your parents make for you when you're sick, when you were a kid, if your parents were like my parents. So I'm just gonna take a little sip. These are both good. Whichever way you wanna go. You wanna put a little of the Peppermint Swirl that has 0 calories, 0 sugars, 0 carbs by Skinny Girl, sugar-free, flavor-infused syrup, do so. If you wanna go and put a Hall's cough drop or whatever cough drop of your choice, do so. This is your medicine ball. You make it the way you wanna make it. But I'm telling you, when you taste that little peach flavor, you're like, oh, this is what they've been doing at Starbucks, y'all. I'm telling you. This is good. So yeah, take y'all vitamins. Take your vitamins. Drink you something warm. You know, make you feel good. Lemon is so good for you. Lemon is so good. If you want to make, you know, something to help you through this season, definitely make sure you have lemon and honey on hand because you're going to need it. And to all of those that's battling COVID, my prayers and my thoughts are with you. To those that have escaped so far, just keep your mask on, be as safe as you can be. You know, wash your hands, do all those things you need to do to be safe because it ain't playing with us out here. It's not playing. I'm gonna put this top on this one and I'll probably, this is with the Hall's cough drop, and drink it before I go to bed. See how, now you have 2 cups. You didn't have to go to Starbucks and spend for 2 drinks, you know? Well, that's it for today's video, guys. That is it. I hope you guys have a really blessed rest of the week. Again, take care of yourself. Be careful. Go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today. See you next time.